What's going on YouTube? Mike here with another video, and today I wanted to do a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Microsoft Surface Headphones 2 in black. So let's get to it. Alright, so let's crack this thing open now. While I'm opening this, I'll kind of review the specs, but obviously I want to use these for at least a good week or so I can actually give my impressions of it as far as long-term review. So these are the black pair. As you can see, the box is actually quite large. Alright, so let's get into these things. Now these things, like I've mentioned in my preview video, supposedly the battery life is up to 20 hours. It's also Bluetooth 5.0, it says it on the box. And really, it's not much different than the first gen when it comes to the general features and design. So let's open it up to see the differences. Nice. And there we go. Nice and tight box. Set this off to the side. And immediately, I love how they actually made the case black as well to match the headphones. So in the box, obviously you get the case, the headphones, and let's see what's under here. All right, so we got our little, this is just the documentation and whatnot, which nobody ever reads, but it's in the box. So let's close this up, set it here, and set this thing to the side. All right, so here we go. Here are the actual headphones. It's essentially the exact same design as the original carrying case, which I have. Let me grab real quick. So for a quick comparison, here's the original case and headphones, which for now I'll set aside. But let's open these puppies. Boom. So just like the original, on the inside you actually have like a little direction thing. You've got the cables in black, so it's got the USB Type-C cable, and then it actually has a 3.5mm headphone jack cable. So if you want to use these wired, you can actually do that, and you can actually use them while they're charging. And here are the actual headphones themselves. Actually some dirt and stuff in here. But a nice carrying case, high quality, matches the headphones. Set that aside. So I can see right away some changes from the first gen, and that is the way that the earmuffs themselves actually rotate. So the original, it would just go one direction, 90 degrees, but now it does a full 180 degrees. So if you want to, rest it on your shoulders, whatever, you can do that. And they really package this thing up. So it's got all kinds of goodies in the actual buds, but they feel actually, they definitely feel lighter than the original Surface headphones, but they look the same. The cushioning looks to be the same, but these are definitely lighter. Let's see what else. Also a change is the power button itself sticks out a little further, but the button array is the same, but this just makes it easier to get to the power button. You still got your rotating dials, and physically I don't see any other differences from the first gen. All the other ports are in the same spot, other than the power button sticks out a little further. So let's just, obviously these aren't charged, but let's put them on and see what they. So just looking at these, they don't look quite as bulky as the original. I know they're the same size physically, but maybe it's just a color difference. But to me, they don't look quite as goofy as, say, the original. So I'll show you. All right, here's the original. And to me, maybe it's just a color difference, but these just look goofier than the black ones. But there you go. That's just a quick unboxing first impression. I mean, obviously, I really enjoy the original. Very comfortable, excellent battery life. The build quality, fit, and finish are fantastic. So really, I'll just kind of have to test these out and use them so I can let you know kind of how the microphone are, how the microphones are, how the sound quality is, and all that good stuff. So if there's anything specifically you want me to test on these, make sure you leave it in the comments below so that I can do so before I actually do my full review. And if you want to see my full review, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I post that video. And if you've not subscribed, I'd appreciate if you do so. I'm on the road to 10,000, trying to get there. I'm almost halfway, so we'll see what happens. But thanks for watching.